Today I am crafting from my stash with a collaboration with KiKi DIY's challenge. This is my stash area. I have a lot more, but this is the biggest part that's organized. I have everything labeled so it's easier to find. I'm gonna dig through it. I already know that I have these. I already had pulled out these cute little buckets that I had wanted to do something with. I have 4 of them actually, and I have this rod. I had an idea in mind. I want to find some other things in here, but I think what I want to do is do a display on the wall, or I can use these in my room. The pink, my room is pink, and I really have been wanting to do that, so now's a good time as any. So come with me on my journey. Okay, so what I did was I put the pearls around the cans. I like the pearls, I think. Gives it more of that soft feminine look. I think what I want to do is I want to put a motto on it. It's like, seize the day, maybe. Something like that, sort of inspirational in the mornings. Yeah, I think that's what I might do. Maybe put a floral arrangement in the center, and then use the outside cups for like sunglasses, hair ties, things like that. I think that's what I want to do. Or I could put flowers in all 3, but I doubt it. I think that's too much floral for my room because I've got so much floral in there. I don't know. I'm going to stand still at this moment trying to think what I want to do next. But anyway, so far I like the way they're turning out. Okay. I still may put the bling on it. We'll see. Okay, what I did was I took this paper here and I cut 2 sections, and then I inverted them. Let me show you what I did. So just cut them just like this. Inverted one of them, I'm sorry, just like this, and I inverted it like that, and then I took the rim of 2 of the, cut this part here off for 2 more. See these parts right here, just the top of those, and I took them and I took these pieces and I decoupaged that on the front of the can. Then I put this here to fill that, one on each side, just like that. And so I made a floral doily out of that, so it's even amount. This is what it looks like when I did it. I'm going to top it off with some rhinestones to give it some bling. And of course I put the pearls around the edge. I think that looks good. So I'm going to have pearls and lace theme on it, I think. The roses on the paper, scrap paper, were too big. It overpowered the can. So I'm nixing that idea. But right now, this is how we are. I've got the 2 other cans to do. I think that is the best solution for that. I'll show you the bling when I get to it. Okay, so there they are embellished. I think they turned out cute. Definitely different. So now I'm just going to put all these pieces together. I think I might embellish those. I haven't made up my mind. Those are the little plaques. I'm going to put the little thing on them. the paint really absorbed into this stick. It's hard to paint. I don't know if I want to put another coat on it or not, but I'm happy with it. Okay, so I blinged up my little holders. I put these little, there were diamonds on them, and then I put these little, alternated them with the pearl looking decal sticker embellishments that I got. They sent me by accident at Michael's during the earlier part of the pandemic. I had ordered some and they sent me the wrong thing, and I thought, well, I might could use them for something. So anyway, they turned out okay. I think I like those. So we're gonna put these hooks right in the middle of those, and that's gonna be my hanger or my rod. Okay, I think that worked out good. Of course, I don't like this tag sticking down there, but in order to take it off, I may go ahead and cut that off because I don't plan on taking them off of these things. I also forgot to say that I had glued the diamond embellishments on the end for the funnels. I think those turned out cute too. Okay, I have these 3 curtain shower hooks that I had. I'll put those on there. They're gonna hold the buckets. So I'm gonna put it together and then I'll show you what I've got. Okay, there we have my craft made from stash. I think it turned out nice. I'm gonna use these buckets for my hair clamps, ponytail holders, that type of thing. Just little odds and ends that you need at your vanity table. So that's where it stands. I think it turned out cute. But let me know what you think.